These are my vacuum cleaners. And this is my fire alarm. I'm going to show you how these vacuum cleaners work, and then I'm going to turn on the fire alarm and show you how that works. So I'm going to start off showing you this vacuum, which is a Bissell. And it has a cord rewind, which means that the cord gets retracted when you press on the blue button right here. This will retract the cord back into the machine. So I'm going to demonstrate the blue vacuum first, and then I'm going to show you the other two vacuums. I want to put this somewhere where it's not going to fall over on me. If I have to, I'm just going to put some stuff to keep it from falling over. Hopefully you can see. I'm going to show you the Bissell. Alright, here we go. Okay, so that's the Bissell running. You can see how well that one works. I'll show you the cord rewinding. Sometimes it can be a little bit finicky. You just have to cooperate with it. Most of the time it'll work. Sometimes it'll give you a hard time and it won't retract, you know. It can be a little stubborn. Okay. Now I'm going to show you this one. This is a Shark. This is my favorite vacuum that I have. I'm currently looking into selling some more. I already renewed one of my listings from before, but I'm gonna put some more vacuums for sale. I'll say this is definitely not one of them because I want to keep this one. I really like this vacuum. So, yeah. Sorry about that, the iPad fell over. I knew it was going to happen. Trying to keep it so it'll stay up. Alright, and there's that one. Again, I like this one the most because it's very fancy looking for one. And secondly, it has those fancy LED headlights, which I was trying to tell you about. Hopefully you heard me. It's really powerful. All of these vacuums are really powerful, but I like this one the most. It also has all the buttons in the exact same location. Unlike the red one here, which I'm going to test next, that one, the lift away feature, by the way, this will lift away, which means it'll do this. Release from the head. Hopefully you saw that. If you didn't, I apologize, but that'll come apart. This one will do the same thing, see? It comes off like that, you just press the button and it comes off the head. Okay, so now we're gonna test this one. I like this one too. I used to have one similar to this, but it was the original version, the purple one. I really miss that vacuum, but I still like this one. But I especially love the red and white one I just used. See, both of these vacuums have swivel steering, which means they swivel. So that makes it easy for you to maneuver them around. You see how much quieter these ones are compared to the Bissell. The Bissell's a little louder, but these here are more quiet. Again, very, very powerful. It does not lose its suction power. All right. So now that you know how the vacuums work, I'm going to show you how the fire alarm works. I'm going to show you how I activate it. And I'll empty these out before I leave. But, so, yeah, I'm going to show you the fire alarm. Again, this is my fire alarm. It's called a Gentex. It says right there. I do have another one. My other one is out here. I gotta squeeze through to get out here. But here's my other one. So I'm gonna set it off and I'll show you how these work. Now typically you can have them hooked up from a pull station. I have mine hooked up from the power supply, and I set them off by switches. So I'm gonna show you that right now. Here is a switch that will turn it on, so let me show you. It's loud, but not loud enough to pop your eardrums out. So let me go show you the other one in action. I got my flashlight so you can see it better. These are all the cans that we have. We're making money off of brand most of the bottle collection. Here's the other one. Let's go back to my room. 7:42. I leave at 8 o'clock. I'm all dressed, so we're good to go. Okay, we're gonna turn it off. by flipping the switch again. Just like that, and now the alarm is deactivated. So hope you enjoyed this video of me showing you some of my vacuum cleaners and the fire alarms, and have a great day.